Here we got our big load of logs being dropped off for firewood, and we're gonna be cutting it up and splitting it and piling it over the next few months. The reason I'm going to take so long because I don't have a place to put all of it, maybe just half of it, and then I'll leave the other logs there and decide what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll build a lean-to again for the rest of them where I can put firewood, or I'm not sure. Looks like I got my work cut out for me, but like I said, I'm not going to do it all like I did last year. I did it in 39 days, the whole truckload, and did a whole video series on it. But this year, I'm just going to like fill this one side of the wood shelter, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest yet. Maybe I'll build on and stack wood on the side or on the sides. Maybe I'll just build a whole other woodshed. I doubt it, but it's always a possibility. But looking forward to getting started. Even though the black fly season's here, we'll just put a hair net on or head net on and get at it. Lots of good hardwood in there. And he said that the oak was cut last summer, so it's got some drying, even though it's not all cut and split. It got a bit of drying to it, so that's going to be good. A lot less time to dry the wood, but it's not going to be burned for a couple of years anyway.